I'm going to show you paano natin i-conquer ang traffic jam on an uphill road with a manual transmission like a pro. Ngayon, engage natin ang handbrake to prevent rolling back. Now, gently release the handbrake, press the clutch, and shift into the first gear. Dahan-dahan, i-release natin ang clutch while giving it a bit of gas to move forward slowly or smoothly. Remember to maintain a steady speed and gamitin natin yung handbrake whenever we need to stop para ma-prevent natin yung rolling back. Remember, practice makes perfect.